This is another dam on the Huron River, little upper area near Ann Arbor, Michigan. Like I said before, this water eventually reaches the Lake Erie and eventually it goes to Niagara Falls. All the shutters are open due to heavy downpour last week because of the hurricane weather which crossed over Michigan. It dumped so much water and this water is still draining. All the 6 shutters are open. It's amazing. This is rare to see. Normally only 1 or 2 will be open. Look at this water, it's actually the maximum level. Normally you will see a lot of kayakers, boat people who go on the river because of this strong current. All the boat activities are completely banned. This is something very rare to see. I will call it 6 hours. Okay. So you can really see the force of the water. It seems like the 2 shutters in the middle are open a little more than the other shutters. So you can see the speed turbulence of the water. This is once in a year or very rare to see. So this water eventually goes down, going to the Niagara Falls. Probably it will take maybe another few months for this water to reach Niagara Falls. Huron River Dam. This water eventually reaches Niagara Falls through Lake Erie. It's amazing. All 4 shutters are open now. This heavy rain due to Hurricane Beryl brought a lot of this water. Here it is about 50 miles to Lake Erie. From there it will eventually reach Niagara Falls. This Huron River is a major river in the state of Michigan. This water is kind of polluted. It's making a lot of this foam. They say this is because of contamination of PFS. Water is supposed to be clean.